Unlock the full potential of your Sony A7 IV and start capturing truly cinematic stories today. Achieving professional quality video with your Sony A7 Iv begins with understanding its core settings. Let's dive into ensuring your footage looks incredible right out of the camera. Navigate to your video recording settings. For most situations, you'll want to use XAVC HD or XAVC S4K for the best balance of quality and file size. Frame rates are crucial for your desired look. 24 frames per second offers a classic cinematic feel, while 60 frames per second is perfect for smooth slow motion. Focus is paramount. Ensure your autofocus mode is set to autofocus with tracking, and select white area for reliable subject acquisition. You can fine-tune the autofocus speed and sensitivity to best suit your subject's movement. Exposure is your next key setting. Access your manual exposure controls. A common starting point is to shoot in shutter priority or aperture priority when starting out, but fully manual mode gives you the most creative control. Aim for an aperture that provides pleasing depth of field, and adjust your shutter speed to prevent motion blur. While generally a shutter speed double your frame rate is a good starting point. To achieve those stunning visuals, composition techniques are vital. Think of the rule of thirds, placing your main subject off-center to create a more dynamic image. Use leading lines in your environment to draw the viewer's eye into the frame and towards your subject. And don't be afraid to experiment with Dutch angles or different camera heights to add a dramatic flair or unique perspective. Finally, let's touch on creative tips for engaging storytelling. Think about the narrative you want to convey and how your shots can support it. Vary your shot types. Wide shots to establish context, medium shots for interaction, and close-ups to reveal emotion. Always consider your lighting. Natural light is your best friend, but even simple artificial lighting can dramatically improve your video quality. And remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with these settings and techniques, and your Sony A7 IV will help you create truly compelling videos.